chicken.
Chicken claps. This is a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens live in a coop.
Duck.
Duck quacks. This is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks live in a pond.
Goat.
Goat bleats. This is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats live in a pen.
Cow.
Cow moos. This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows live in a shed.